Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram notifications not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and having problem related to Instagram notifications, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings and guys make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after checking this you need to go back, and guys you need to open your Instagram app here. So guys, simply you need to open your Instagram app, and guys after opening it you need to click on this main profile, and guys after this you need to click on three lines, and guys after clicking on it you need to click on settings and privacy on this tab. So guys, simply you need to click on this, and guys after this you need to click on notifications. And guys, first of all you need to make sure that here is the option that is pause all. So guys, you need to turn off this tab. So guys, if it is turned on then you need to turn off. And guys after this you need to open your quit mode here, and guys after this you need to turn off this tab also. So guys, if it is turned on then guys you need to turn off it. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after this you need to go back and open your settings now in your iPhone. And guys after this you need to click here, that is notifications. And guys here you need to find Instagram app. So guys, as you can see here, simply you need to open this, and guys after this you need to, here is the option of turn on this allow notifications. So guys, if it is turned off then guys you need to turn on this. And guys after this you need to check all of these three options, that is lock screen, notification center and banners. And guys after this you need to turn on sounds as well. So guys, after doing this all the problems will be fixed related to Instagram notifications. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still not working Instagram notifications, so guys maybe this problem is occurred due to new update iOS 17. So guys, simply you need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, click on software update. And guys you need to update your iPhone to latest version, that is iOS 17.1. so guys, after doing this version all the features will be working fine that are not working in iOS 17. So guys, by doing all the methods your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.